Money is about to appear in your life, and I am here to help activate your mind to attract significant financial abundance. I am not talking about loose change or coins you might find on the street or in your couch cushions. I am referring to large sums of money. You do not need to know exactly how it will arrive, but you do need to be ready to receive it. Hello, everyone. Today we are soaring high like a majestic eagle, always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. I want to thank you for being here and for subscribing to this channel. Make sure to click the notification bell so you know when new content is available. We are here almost every day with new videos to inspire you. I am thrilled because financial abundance is about to show up in your life. A few weeks ago, I released a video on how to manifest anything, and the feedback has been incredible. The comments, the stories, the emails, people from all over the world shared how quickly their manifestations appeared, how their energy shifted, and how their lives changed. I know that you are about to experience the same transformation when it comes to money. Some of you may feel skeptical, and that is completely fine. Even with doubts, there is nothing to lose by staying open. Many people tell me that there is no space left to make money, that the market is oversaturated, that everyone is already doing what they want to do, that platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are overcrowded. Others believe that money is too hard to earn, that it requires constant exhausting work just to make a little bit. Some think that being spiritual and being wealthy cannot coexist. But remember this, spirituality and money are both vibrations, and they can absolutely align in harmony. One of the most damaging beliefs I hear is, there is nothing special about me. I do not deserve to make money. That feeling of unworthiness is one of the biggest obstacles to financial success. Others say they are always in debt and sinking deeper every month, but that cycle is about to end. Another common misconception is that making money is only about hard work and struggle, or that rich people are greedy and selfish. These are limiting beliefs that block abundance from flowing to you. Most of our attitudes toward money are built on outdated ideas that no longer serve us and keep us stuck in lack. Before we move forward, I want to share one of my favorite affirmations with you. Money is easy to make. When you truly believe that making money is simple, your reality begins to shift. Your beliefs determine what you manifest, so choose beliefs that support wealth and prosperity. As you have been reading this, I have already begun to activate your mind to receive large amounts of money. Allow it to flow into your life in whatever form it chooses, perhaps through a new opportunity, a business breakthrough, an unexpected bonus, an inheritance, a lottery win, or a raise. The universe is saying yes to your wealth, yes to money, yes to your abundance right now. Here are 3 powerful signs that will confirm your mind is aligning with financial manifestation. First, you will start seeing turtles, perhaps as pets, in images, online, or even as the word turtle appearing somewhere unexpectedly. This is a clear sign that money is beginning to flow to you. Second, you will notice the number 999. While many people frequently see 1111, 999 is far less common and represents completion and a new financial cycle beginning. Seeing it, especially alongside turtle imagery, is a very strong signal that abundance is near. Finally, you will start noticing sunflowers, whether in bloom, in pictures, or in unexpected places. Yeah, this is the universe's way of showing you that financial growth and prosperity are blossoming in your life right now. Would you like me to continue rewriting the final part of the text, where it talks about autumn and the closing thoughts, to keep the same style and flow? Even if you think you will never see a sunflower, you will, just as surely as you will notice the number 999 and encounter a turtle. These are clear signals that money is already present in your life at this very moment. What you need to do now is write down this affirmation. Large sums of money are now flowing into my life easily. Put it on paper, keep it in your wallet or purse, and carry it with you as a constant reminder. Then sit back, relax, and let the money come to you. You do not need to know how it will arrive. It is already happening. Every time you see a turtle, notice the number 9999, or come across a sunflower, you will know with absolute certainty that wealth, prosperity, abundance, and money are entering your life right now. Once you start seeing these signs, prepare yourself and make space for the financial blessings that are coming your way, along with all the opportunities and experiences they will allow you to enjoy. When the money starts to flow into your life, take a portion of it and pay it forward. Help someone who is struggling. By doing so, you allow the flow of abundance to continue. You are on the verge of manifesting your biggest dreams, the money you desire, the love you seek, and the health and happiness you rely on. Subscribe to our channel and receive more content like this. Enjoy this journey because you truly deserve it.